CGI is hiring multiple roles across India. .NET, Java and backend engineering roles. .NET Enhancement Engineer, .NET Solution Architect, Java Backend Developer, Java Full Stack Developer Pro, C Developer, Actimize Developer, Oracle PL SQL Developer, OpenText Developer. Cloud, Low Code and Specialized Development, Axway API Gateway Developer. Designer, Guidewire Developer. Smart Com Developer, Mendix. Low Code Platform Developer, Odoo Architect. High Complexity, Odoo Developer. Low Complexity, OT Developer, Raspberry Pi Specialist. AI/ML and Salesforce roles. AI/ML Backend Developer, AI/ML Developer, Lead, Vertex AI and Gemini. Generative AI Platform Specialist, Salesforce Developer, Functional SME, ERP Domain, ERP Financial Business Analyst. Data Engineering and Analytics, Azure Data Engineer, Azure Databricks Developer, Big Data Engineer. Informatica Developer, ETL QA Data Management, Collibra. Data Testing and BI Performance Testing Engineer, Power BI Developer and Data Analyst. Senior Quality Engineer, Data Tester, Manual Testing, SQLDB. Automation Tester, Robot Framework plus Python. DevOps and Cloud Infrastructure, DevOps Engineer Google. Cloud Engineer, DevOps plus GKE. SSE GCP plus Kubernetes. L3 GCP Cloud L3 OpenShift Specialist. Infrastructure Technical Cloud Lead Architect. Network Administrator with Zscalers. Network Design and Implementation, L3 Oracle DBA, SCCM Admin. Unix Linux OS Specialist. Unix Fixed Protocol Developer. Security and IAM Developer, SSE.IMA ForgeRock, PingDite at Security Engineer, Data Engineer, NK at Security Engineer. Network Security, Information Systems Security Officer. Security and Risk 24257. Senior Analyst Security Monitoring, Chennai. DoSWOT Year 2 IT Risk and Control Analyst, Chennai 20492. IT Security Professional, Mumbai RSA Archero. Security Analyst SAS Senior Cyber Security, SSE. Testing and Quality Assurance, Automation and Manual Testing. Banking Domain, UFT, VB Script. Mainframe Automation Tester, Tosca, Test Suite, Python Testing, UI, Automation with DB Testing, QE Test Lead, SailPoint Application Testing. QA and RPA UiPath, Developer, UiPath Developer. SSE Lead RPA Developer. ServiceNow, Architect of Pega CLSA, CSSA, CSA Developers. Business Analysis and Consulting, Business Analyst, Business Consultant. GCC, Change Management Specialist. Director, Business Consulting, Procurement Specialist. Support and Operational Roles, Application Support Security. Apprentice Role, Freshers, HR Ops Specialist. L2 Production Support, Service Desk Tech, L1 LANet App MCC. UX and Platform Tools, ESM Tools, SMA Evalua, Developer. UI UX Designer, Referral Application. Info Experience, minimum 3+ years. Location, India. Email shivashankar.nalapothula@c. Subject, role you're applying